They say an investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. Caspian University, established in 1992, is recognized by WHO and Medical Council of India. The university supports excellence and innovation in academic programs, promotes excellence in research, scholarship and teaching. The university is committed to attract and support the best students and faculty who excel at teaching and research. Best Indian faculties for main medical subjects with years of teaching experience are one of the key of universal students from across the globe. Join the university for becoming a better version of them. One of the best university with world-class infrastructure. Talking about infrastructure, university has library, the central hub of the university, with well-equipped to support and facilitate teaching, learning and research programs of the institute. Well-stocked with the latest books, research publications, the library at the university is open to all students, faculty members and employees. We provide world-class infrastructure and world-class doctors by their unique medical professors and advanced clinical practice at government nationalized standard hospitals. In addition to the professional reading, the library provides a good amount of leisure reading and books for soft skill development. All subjects related to the university's academic and research programs have been included in the collection. The classrooms, lecture halls and tutor rooms at university are fully furnished. The teaching learning pedagogy are used in the classrooms is IT enabled and all classrooms are equipped with a standard array of presentation. Equipment that provides our faculty with the best multimedia tools for their infrastructural need. The infrastructure and facilities available on the campus are amongst the very best. It is a wholly self-contained campus, comprising of everything that students on campus would ever require. An aesthetically designed campus building with the perfect symmetry of design and decorum. The magnificent campus facilities would stimulate your thirst for knowledge and intellectual growth. In terms of infrastructural support, there is a little more that you can ask for. In short, the perfect place for learning and growing. auditorium is constructed aiming to provide decorated stage at a large sitting capacity in college. The auditorium is used for organizing various college functions including seminars, workshops, meetings, cultural shows, etc. Extracurricular activities. The various cultural activities in the college are organized primarily through the various students and societies under the aegis of Cultural Committee of the college. Students are encouraged to respect each other's opinions, values and emotions so that the spirit of unity among diversity is maintained in the institution. Imparting education is all about achieving a perennial flow of knowledge with a happy-go-lucky environment for students. It is essential to establish a feeling of comfort and transparency across the staff in order to make them feel confident about their present as well as their future, unshackled by distractions. The glorious traditions of the university established during the period of its long service to the nation since its inception are a source of inspiration for the present generation of faculty members and students. Caspian University delivered MD Physician program in 5 years and also arrange NCI coaching to crack NCI screening exam in very first attempt. Join Caspian University to be a good doctor, to be a good human being. Enroll yourself today at Caspian University.